Second vlog! Sakay po tayo ng train. Look at that, guys. Madami-dami din po ang sakay niya, in fairness. So, ang nabayaran po natin dito is 8 euros. Tapos, libre pa sinatan. Libre ka daw. You don't need to pay. Jeg hoeft niet betalen, omdat jij bent nog 3 jaar. Als je 4 jaar, dan jij moet betalen, hè. 8 euro.
Kan ik ook betalen?
Nee, hoeft niet. Gelukkig. Mama is blij dat we hoeven voor jou niet meer betalen.
Waarom?
Omdat jij bent nog 3. Maar volgende maand, jij wordt...
4.
Ja, 4 jaar hè.
Ben ik 4 jaar?
Ja, bijna. Binigyan po tayo ng headset, guys. This is for you, okay? Para marinig mo kung anong sabi. Magsabi-sabi sila kung anong mga history, ganun. Tapos, ilagay natin yan siya dyan. For you. Lagay mo sa ano. Anong sabi? Sabihin mo kay mama anong sabi nila, ha?
Anong sabi?
Anong sabi? Wala pa or meron na?
Meron.
Anong sabi dyan? May sinasabi na siya. Dutch. Baka pwede ito English. Oh, English.
May.
labing-labing pa. Sana all. Man ako nitong kadate ko. Oh, gising na siya. Ang tatay niya natawagan ko pa. Magpunta na dito si Papa Bibilab. Nag-enjoy naman kayo sa ating pa-train. Birthday pa rin po ni Inday Garnet. At bad trip ako kay 5% na lang din ang ating kamera. Hindi, hintayin natin si Papa tapos maglakad-lakad tayo dito sa city. 5% na ang kamera. Nagdala ako ng battery pack ng kamera. Wala. 0% pala siya. Padalahin ko si Daniel ng battery pack. Magpunta si Papa dito, Bebe Love. And then, salmon lopen in the stad. And then, miskin Aisha Aitan. Grabe ang pa-birthday ko sa inyo, no? Kita niyo ang magagandang tanawin dito sa Leeuwarden. Pero pwede good na, nilakad lang natin yun. Nagbayad lang tayo ng 8 euros. Pero maganda din na naririnig ko yung mga history. Alam nyo ba, may chismis. Nalaman ko na itong Leeuwarden pala guys, ang may pinakamalaking society ng prostitution dati, noong unang panahon. At ito, dito din po ang may pinakamaraming society ng Jewish. Yan. Dito daw sa Leeuwarden. Bilab, nag-enjoy ka sa train ha? Nag-enjoy ka na matulog-tulog doon. Ha? Hoy, sino si Inday Garnet? Sino si Inday Garnet? Uy!
Mama!
Anong pangalan ni Mama?
Mama Garnet!
Oh! Grabe! Mister ko nga yun. Kalayo-layo niya pa guys, pero kilalang kilala ko ang lakad, ang tindig ng mister ko. Akalain niyo yun? Nandito na po siya. Kalaylay, nandun siya sa pinakadulo. Naka-charge na tayo guys. Doon, magpunta tayo sa ice cream. Kaya nag-promise po ako ng ice cream sa kanya. Mahal, did you ever know that Leeuwarden is the biggest society of prostitution before?
No?
Oh, yeah. This is. Before Rotterdam, this is.
You know now because you had the tour.
Yeah, the tour. Ito na yun eh. Ito na yun eh. Dinaan din tayo kanina dito. You know, we were also here with the train, Mahal. Ha? Opo, magkain tayo ng ice cream sa McDo, okay? No, not for me.
So you know about the prostitution now.
Yeah.
So did you go to the prostitutes?
I want to go inside there, Mahal, but I want to see.
Okay,
What's
you
it?
go. You go
Because
inside.
here it's different in
You enjoy
Amsterdam.
Mahal. I cannot go there because my wife won't let me look there. So
Oh.
you can go.
That's good that you know that you cannot go there. Hindi po siya katulad sa Amsterdam na makita mo lang yung makabukas ang bintana. So inside, Mahal, because you were already there. Now I'm getting mad because I remember you were going there when you were 17 years old. And then, Mahal,
16.
16? And then what did they do? They ask you if you want?
No, they tried to kick us out.
Because they know that you are underage. Yeah, 16 pa siya nung pumasok siya dyan. That's the first and the last? Or that's the 5th time?
No, actually the 268.
It's not funny. Look guys! Leeuwarden. Very different birthday than in the Philippines.
Mahal, your birthday, we are celebrating tomorrow.
Yeah. Sabi ko sa inyo. Nandoon sa dulo.
Remember, I changed my work and then I changed it back again so we can celebrate tomorrow instead.
Yeah. Sa mga hindi po nakapanood ng vlog ko kahapon, ang pag-celebrate po namin ng birthday ko ay simula bukas. Yung pabakasyon po namin nila Biyanan. So mamaya, pag-uwi po natin, mag-ano ako guys, mag-impake. Dito tayo mag-ice cream. Duda ako, feeling ko ikaw ang nag-birthday today. Kaya ang birthday na ito, about sa'yo lahat ba? So, ikaw ang nag-birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, congratulations. It's your birthday today. Oh.
Birthday?
Today also.
You?
Also today is my birthday.
And my birthday?
Also today.
How? Kaya. Leka?
No.
Leka?
No. Try, Mahal. What is that? Cherry?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. It's very like fresh, and then they made it ice cream because you can really feel that there's a fresh strawberry inside.
Well, it's better than a fake strawberry.
Yeah. Let Papa try, Baby Love. Pero maasim ba?
Kaya?
Right?
Yeah, not my flavor.
Don't buy me gold, Mahal, ha? Maybe you'll buy me gold. Magpunta po daw siya sa mga parilo dyan, oh. Andyan din kasi yung mga gold. Pero hindi niya magregalo kay... Meron na po yan siyang regalo sa akin, yung battery. At hindi na po talaga yan siya magbili ng gold dito kasi alam niya na mas mura sa Pilipinas, guys. Kamahal-mahal ng gold dito, hindi normal. Itong sing-sing namin, ito siya. Nakita ko dyan sa... Ewan, nasabi ko na ba sa vlog ito. Dyan na store. Times 3. Ang bili namin sa Pilipinas, sa presyo times 3 po siya, kakaiba. May sabihin daw si Nathan sa mama niya. Anong sabihin mo?
Want some nice pastries too?
Yeah, you want to try? Pastries?
Mama,
You know, having a baklava with a coffee is very nice.
You want to try? I want coffee. Uwi na muna tayo, guys, kaya parang naubos ang energy ko sa mga pinagagawa natin today. Mag-ano na lang tayo, mag-order na lang ako ng sushi. Kaya parang hindi ko na talaga kaya magluto-luto, guys. Parang sa birthday ko na ito ang gift ko sa sarili ko ba. Yung hindi nga ako magluto at maghugas ng mga pinggan, ng mga ano bang paghugasan. Dito,
you go. We'll wait here.
dito ang pa-red light eh. Can we go from here?
You go. We'll wait here.
Can we go here or
right
not?
there.
Pero
There's
usually,
someone coming out. We enjoyed.
may pumasok na matanda, guys. There, Mahal. The door is open.
Somewhere there, yeah.
Yeah. Dito din, oh. Dumaan din tayo dito. Pinagluluko tayo ng mga train nila. Nilakad na lang sana natin. Wow. So, ganda naman yan. I love it. Sa mani. Pagod ang Baby Love. Napagod siya sa mga paggala natin. Ayusin pa natin tong regalo ni Daniel, oh. Hindi pa yan naayos, guys. Yeah, and also for you. And look at my house, oh. Happy birthday to me. Wala linis-linis kay birthday ko. Happy birthday to me.
What I did not think about.
What?
I got you flowers,
Yeah.
but we're leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Happy birthday.
for my...
Yeah, for you. To you. Happy birthday. May mga bra pa, oh. Happy birthday. May pajama pa ni Nathan. Happy birthday to me. And many more. Thank you so much for the second life. Sabi mo, thank you so much, Lord.
Thank you so much, Lord.
Anong kainin natin mamaya sa birthday ni Mama? Nag-order na ako. Nang?
Pancake.
Agoy! Unsa naman eh! Kain tayo ng sushi! Kaya ayaw magluto ng nanay mong tamad. Sino ang tamad?
Mama.
Happy. May tama ka.
Birthday, my love.
Yeah, I'm super enjoying my
Would
birthday.
you say that you are enjoying your birthday mucho más?
Mucho mas.
No, no.
Mucho mas? Mang, makita na nila ang tutoy mo, Mang.
Gago ka, Pia. O, kalis ka, Pia.
Mang, kantaan mo muna ako. Happy birthday, Mang. Dali, Mang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Sige na, bye-bye na, bye-bye. Andito na ang ating order. Si Bianan, guys, nandoon po siya kay Oma. Mamaya pupunta tayo sa kanya kay Sir ako magbigay ng regalo niya. Nandoon siya kay Oma kasi may appointment po si Oma yung sa parang head nung tinitirhan niya ngayon. Nag-usap-usap na sila, guys, na si Oma ay hindi na po talaga uuwi ng bahay. Next time na natin yan i-chika. Kay birthday ko man, no? Mag-ano muna tayo sa... Bakit ito? Bakit parang kadami?
Ma,
Mag-ano muna tayo para sa birthday ko. Concentrate. So, ito na yung pa-birthday po natin. This is my birthday today and another birthday tomorrow and the birthday the next of tomorrow.
Just wait until your birthday meal tomorrow, mahal.
Yeah.
You will be happy with your birthday meal tomorrow.
Yan ang pa-birthday ko bukas. Maglibre tayo ng ano yan, dinner. Abangan po yan sa mga susunod na vlog, no? So, mag-enjoy na siguro muna kami, everyone. And we still have ginger, mahal, ha, if we don't have enough here. We have our own ginger. Yes. Happy birthday to Nathan and to Mama!
Happy birthday!
Wow, yummy! So? Sashimi. Yeah. That's for me. You don't eat that. Why?
Happy birthday to you. How old are you now?
What are you saying?
Darling on my name.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. Right now, you can save 50 pounds per person. That's a family of 4. Nothing on my hand.
That thing we do get to holiday. Right now, you can take 50 pounds. Come on. I can follow for.
Oh! Let's go to Bianan, everyone. Kuha tayo ng regalo. Sure ako na magregalo siya. Ha? I'll bet, mahal, that Vika is giving me a gift. Pero ang hiningi ko po talaga sa kanya, kung nanood kayo ng vlog natin kahapon, sabi ko, ang gusto ko po ay yung lunch lang yung sa pupuntahan po natin bukas, no? Isa dito, grabe.
Dat moet je aan oma vragen, niet aan mij.
Parang pagod na siya ba? May ano na siya, mga pasumpong-sumpong na siyang nagaganap. Tanong pa din siya ng tanong, na ba talaga ang gusto mo? Sabi ko, yun lang nga, lunch. Kaya feeling ko talaga, pinapapunta niya tayo ngayon sa bahay niya kay, ano, gusto niya lang daw mag-greet ng happy birthday. Nakauwi na siya, galing po kay Uman. Let's go, everyone! Dali na, dali na. Sige, Dabi, sige, Dabi. Dabi, patingin daw. Ay, hala, pagkapugi man di ay ani. Diyos ko. Uy, kakaiba ang kapugian. Smile daw. Paano mag-smile si Nathan, Bi? Grabe naman talaga.
Handschoenen?
Naglilinis siya ng kanyang
Zonnebril maar, kerel.
Even binnenkijken? Of er
garden.
een cadeautje is?
Oh, cadeautje! I said just lunch, but my mother-in-law cannot puyo. Gusto niya talaga magregalo. What is that for? Oh, we sit here.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy
Janet.
happy birthday to you.
Piep, piep, piep.
Hurra!
Piep,
So,
piep. So. La da.
you don't need to give me lunch anymore, Vika. You're not
Ja, I
my
also give you
Vika.
lunch.
I give you a lunch too.
Die is voor jou.
Wow!
En dit is voor oma Jiske.
Wow! What is this? All the smells in the world.
En een cadeaubon zit eraan.
Ooh! Wow!
So you can buy your own. Want ik wist, I didn't know what smell you liked.
Yeah.
So I bought 4 smells.
I
And
love it,
this-
Vika. This one is good.
Okay.
This one is good. Where did you buy this? In the city?
Ja,
Very
het is in een
good.
bedrijf. Het is een hele mooie nieuwe winkel.
Go.
Die heb ik gekocht.
I
bij
love
de
it.
Libra.
I love it, Vika.
En dit, kijk hoe leuk het ingepakt is.
Lieve Garnet. Van harte lips, Vika.
Gefeliciteerd.
Mm.
It's 50 euro.
50 euros.
For something you like. And this is from oma.
Oh, from Oma Hiska.
Wauw,
Oh.
heel bijzonder dat oma zelfs naar de stad is gegaan. Omdat ze
Ja,
uit
er
de
zit een kaart in.
En een kaart van Oma Hiska. Oh. Klik. Van harte gefeliciteerd van Oma Hiska. Oh, what is this? I
What
think
is this?
for the smell.
Kijk,
Smell.
ja. En als je een
dat
andere
zegt,
lucht
komt-ie.
wil,
Ja.
dan, but this, I think you like this. Ja, lekker
Nee,
zijn.
ik denk
Ja,
niet
kijk,
dat
deze
is
is
heel
ook lekker,
open
die
groot.
roos.
Ja,
Heerlijk.
gewoon te groot.
Oh, look them.
Ja, en niet allemaal geurkaarten.
Oh, look
Ja.
at that. Yuzakura. And what is it? Moose douche.
Moesdouche.
Dus,
Moesdouche.
At meron po siyang pa rich body cream. Oh, wow.
smell if you like it.
I love it.
Oh, that's nice.
Smell.
My
Thank you.
tomato.
Hmm?
My
Mm.
where?
Ruiken.
When we are taking a bath.
Never.
We don't use our bath vehicle.
No?
Still didn't take a bath together.
Yeah.
Already for as long as we live in the house.
2 years.
Ja, gaten.
Thank you, Vika. For that support. Don't give me
Oh,
lunch
okay.
anymore.
Ja, of course.
Ik
No,
ben
no
moe.
Nee, je moest dat. Hoe kan
Kamahal
dat
na
nou?
mga parigalo ni Bianan.
Doos mucho mas.
Tinanong siya ni
Mucho mas.
ni Bianan
kung anong regalo
niya sa
Oh ja.
En ik heb haar een flesje Baileys gegeven. En ik heb haar een accu voor de fiets gegeven.
Oh, so deluxe from Papa. And a very, very beautiful bouquet.
En het was mijn idee dat we morgen
Maar
weggingen.
ik wil
Dus
deze.
allemaal dingen voor Garnet ter verjaardag.
Ja.
Ja.
Willen jullie ook een knopje?
Een knop? Nee, dank je.
Ik wil ook boven.
What is that, Knopper?
A lot of chocolate in a wafer.
Uh-oh. Meron tayong pa-snack dito. Ito. Kala ko ako yung mabaho ang paa. Grabe ang amoy. The more the stinky it is, the more it's yummy.
Baho.
Mahal, the more it's stinky it is, the more it's yummy, mahal.
Ja.
You want to try?
No. What they did here.
What is that?
This is in Vika Her Garden, but this is an electricity thing.
Hmm?
So the government or the gemeente, they can come here for the electricity
Mm.
stuff. See what they wrote?
Yeah?
Hi Dick.
Yeah?
Yeah, hoi Lou. In Dutch.
That's children, mahal. Doing that.
weg hier.
Did you read this, Vika?
Ja. Staat er al heel lang.
Oh? Tara na. Magano na, punta tayo doon sa mga paper, guys. Magtingin daw si Daniel. Kaya hindi pa siya nakapagpitas doon. Vika, Daniel doesn't know that there's pears there and apples that you can just get there. He doesn't know.
Oh, je doet het ook?
No. That's new? Or that was already
Nee,
there?
dat was altijd zo. Maar nu zijn er opeens heel veel peren.
Appelpeer en pruimen wil ik eten.
Oké.
Maar moeten nog geplukken zijn.
Jullie gaat met ons mee.
Mag-impake, pabaya tayo. Uy, kaaga pala namin bukas. Mga bago mag alas 6, gising na po ako. Kaya maglagay pa ng mga palaman sa tinapay. Mamili tayo ng tinapay mamaya para meron tayong pang breakfast. Siya ang may gusto na magpunta po kami dito. Sabi niya, mamitas na naman tayo, oh ma. Ay alam niyo, gusto niya lang mag-ano dito sa bridge, mag-bike-bike.
Appelvlechthoor.
Rechtdoor. Oo. Mahalok. Apples. Now you see? Uy, ingat sa mga brand nito. Mahal, please, Nathan. With the plants, mahalok. Daar is the apple, Papa. Siya the apple, Papa. Yun. Daar.
De appels zijn daar.
Dat zijn een beetje kleine appeltjes.
Kadami pa nating pear. We don't need pears, Vika. We still have a lot.
We hoeven niet zoveel peren, want we hebben al heel veel peren. Hè? Dan
Si
kunnen
Bianan din, kadami niya pa. Uy, voorzichtig daar, Nathan. Come here.
Dit zijn allemaal te klein.
Zijn ze te klein?
Ja, hoe simpel. Ja. Daar zie ik een redelijke, maar dat kan niet bij.
Masarap yan, para yung mangga, maasim. Can you give me one?
Like a mango.
Yeah, like that. Munggo, hindi yan munggo, mango.
Mama,
Iba yung munggo.
Live?
Hindi, apple yan na maliliit. Super Zura apple.
Oh, yummy.
Oh, mamaya, hugasan muna natin. Ay, one for that from that mahal also. That one mahal, I want that. That's nice with toyo. Yeah, soy sauce. Masarap to, toyo tapos asin. Ah, balik-balikan ko to pag maasim talaga to, guys. Dito na lang tayo sa bridge. Yang padidit na naman daw siya. Wala, mga aso nila. Look at the dogs. Ganda. Twin takir. Dus veel te veel.
Nee, dat doen we niet, schat. Want oma moet ook nog de tuin doen. Morgen. 10 keer is ook veel te veel.
Woo! Wow!
Ah ja, yun. Gewoon mijn deur op.
Yun na yun. Nakabalik na tayo dito. Baya, good yung apple niya dyan. Uy. Dali na. Ay, si Bianan busy pa sa kanyang garden. Naglilinis po siya ng garden niya. Look at that. Wow. 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 Damay pa siya nandito. Nagtrabaho din siya sa garden, guys. Oh, you also have! Meron din siyang gloves. Tingnan yung mga sinampay ni Bianan, guys. Kay Oma po yan. Nilabhan niya. Oh, look! Look! What is Oma doing? Oh, you see that, guys? Oh. You thought, that my mother-in-law has cleaner in the garden? A gardener?
No.
She does it all.
All by myself.
Uy, tulungan mo si Oma.
Bye.
No more na.
Nou, gaan we fruit.
Meron din yung pear si Bianan, guys. She also have pear here. Look, ayan oh. Yeah, but it's a tall one. We cannot get it. Yeah. And what is that, Vika? Can that be eaten too?
No.
Oh, no.
Birds.
Ah, for the bird. Pabayaan natin sila dyan, guys. Para makaano sila, no? Makapagbanding silang maglola dyan. So guys, nag-enjoy naman kayo sa ating mga pa-vlog for today's video. It's my birthday. Thank you so much sa mga nag-greet. Thank you. I love you all. See you again, guys. Tomorrow, kung hindi absent. Babush!